In today's video, we're going to talk about why it's important to mimic and not copy in the real estate investing business. Coming up. Hey everybody, it's Jamel Gibbs. Listen, I'm a part of this mastermind group, and in the mastermind group, one of the members of the group, Patch Baker, said something I thought was profound the other day, and I wanted to share it with you because it applies to your real estate investing business. Now, when it comes to marketing, you want to take the approach of mimicking and not copying. Same thing applies to your real estate investing business as well. What do I mean by that? Mimic, don't copy. It almost sounds like the same exact thing, right? In fact, I was just talking to Rondell behind the camera, and he said, look, it sounds like the same thing to me, but in essence, it's really not the same thing. You can mimic something, but not copy something. When you're looking to mimic, you're looking to take ideas from something. When you're copying, you're literally taking the idea and trying to recreate the same exact idea. Mimic, don't copy. That's what this video is about. So listen, a lot of people come into the real estate business and they want this checklist approach. They want to be able to do exactly what somebody else is doing in order to get the exact result, in order to be able to accomplish what they want out of the business. In my opinion, that's the wrong way to approach the business. Why do I say that? It's because you're copying exactly what someone else is doing, but you may not get the same result as that person. Okay, so what's a better way to approach this? You mimic what the person is doing. What does that mean? When you mimic somebody, all you're looking to do is understand the fundamentals of how to do what they're doing in order to get to where they are and get past where they are. If you copy somebody and your goals doesn't match their personal goals, then chances are you're gonna be living vicariously through them, right? You're gonna be living their dream. You're not gonna be living according to what your circumstances are for your business. Maybe they have the idea that they want a $10 million per year business. Maybe you want $100,000 per year. Maybe they want $100,000 a year and you want $1 million business. You get where I'm going with this? So really, you don't want to copy in this business. You want to mimic in this business. And the only way to mimic in this business is basically to strategically get the idea behind what it is that they're doing, and they go ahead and apply it into your business as well. So how do you do that when it comes to real estate investing? How can you do that? Let's use wholesaling as an example. How can you do that in wholesaling? Well, the easiest way to do it is to understand the fundamentals, understand the basics of the business. So in wholesaling, what do you want to do as a wholesale real estate investor? You want to understand marketing, right? You understand the marketing first. You understand how to find sellers. You understand how to screen the sellers. You understand how to make offers. You understand how to find buyers, ultimately close deals. Those are the fundamentals of wholesaling real estate. Those are the basics of the business. If I were to copy what somebody else is doing and they're in a completely different market, it might not work in my market, right? So you want to understand that you're not looking to copy, you're looking to mimic. So that's the problem that I have a lot of the times with when it comes to education, home study courses and things like that. Too many people are looking for the copy and paste approach, and it really takes the creativity away from what they should be focusing on, which is understanding the fundamentals. Again, you're gonna hear me say this multiple times throughout the video, understanding the fundamentals and then adding their own flavor into the business. Let's use marketing as an example. When it comes to marketing, most people want the copy and paste approach. I'm in info marketing and I'm in the real estate business, right? Years ago, I had this program called the Yellow Letter Lead System, and I sold my exact yellow letter template for $7, okay? And a lot of people would spend the $7 and they're expecting to send a yellow letter, the exact template, without making any tweaks, and they expect to get the same result that I get. There's too many circumstances behind my results, right? Again, if you copy what someone else is doing and you don't know the intricate details of what goes on behind the scenes, then you're setting yourself up for failure. And ultimately, eventually, you might be out of the business. But if you if you take some ideas from a marketing template, let's say a postcard, a yellow letter, or any type of marketing piece, you just take the idea behind what the actual postcard says, and then you apply your own flavor to it. Now it becomes yours. You're mimicking, not copying at that point. And like I was talking to Rondell again behind the camera, we were saying, look, if somebody's copying my business and then I disappear, I decide not to do any more courses and videos, and you're relying on me to get to where you want to go so that you can understand. I'm basically taking your creativity away from you if you copy me, versus you get the idea behind, you understand the fundamentals behind what we're trying to do, and then you go ahead and you create your own way of doing things. You're doing this because this is what you like to do, and this is how you would approach. You start speaking in your own voice at that point. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Mimic, don't copy in the real estate business. This is a short video, but leave a comment in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell. See you on the next one. Peace.